Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create flying smartphone animation in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to add a video I want to put on the flying smartphone. I'm going to click on overlay and tap on add overlay, and for example, I'm just going to use a video from the CapCut library. I'm going to select the portrait video, this one. Okay, and we can click on add. And wait, I'm just going to cut the video. Okay, and tap on the second video. And then go to the animation and then select combo animation. And you have to scroll down until you find the smartphone animation. Wait guys, I'm still trying to find it. Okay, this one, smartphone animation, and this is the result. I'm going to click on the check mark and I'm going to place it right here. All right, and this is the final result. Wait, I'm going to make it smaller. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a flying smartphone animation in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.